So now let's move to the next section where we're going to build this contact section. So you can see we have this section now. So let's get started. Here we have to add the two section again, and what we can do, we can just rename this section here contact. Okay, and also we can just make everything here also we can write 1300 max width, and here we can write 80 pixel to the top, 80 pixel to the bottom. Okay, and here also we have this color. So we can just go here and we can add this bg color here. Okay, now you can see if I go below, we have this full width, and we can remove this padding from here also. Okay, now you can see we have to add this, so we can just copy this from here and we can just paste this. Sorry for the some background noise, actually my daughter is there and she is only 1.5 years old, so she is making the noise. I hope you understand, kids. So let's make this contact. Also you can see we have this let's discuss project, so let me copy this from here and we can just go here and we can just go here and we can just add the let's build this project. So now you can see we have this. Now what we can do, we can just go here and we can just use this custom and we can make this full width. Okay, now we have this form, so let's go this, and below that we can add this form. So for adding the form, we can add a container here first. Okay, then after that we can just make this container white. Okay, and here also we can just make this to 30 pixel. Here you can see we have this, so we can name this form box. Go to styles and here you can see we have the border. Here we have the border to be solid, and make this 2 pixel and we can make this like this. Then remove the border radius to 0. Now you can see we have this. So now let's copy this from here and we can add get in touch. Get in touch. Okay, now you can see we have to just style it. Okay, we can go here and we can make this 600. Now you can see we can just go here, copy this, and we can just go here and paste it. Okay, like this. Okay, here and here also we can just increase the size of this. We can just increase the size of this to this. Okay, now you can see we have this form, so we can just choose the form here below. Okay, this is going outside, so we can just drag and drop this inside like this. Now you can see we have the first name email, so we can just go to this. Here we can just add the placeholder first name and we can make this to 50%, and here also we can have the email, so let's go here we can make this 50%, and here we can make this your email. Okay, now you can see we have the subject, so we can just duplicate this, we can use the same here. So here also we can add this to subject and we can make this to 100%. Okay, and for the label also we can just use the same which we are using on the placeholder. So let's see. Okay, and here also we can just choose the subject, and the last one is the message, so we can just choose the medium, and here also we can just go to the button. Here also we can choose the medium. Okay, and here also we can send this to submit. Okay, now you can see we have this column gap. We can just put the column gap 20 and the row gap would be 40. And for the label spacing we can have this 15. Okay, and here in the field option we can have this to 0, and here also we can make this border color to black. Okay, like this is done. Also you want to increase the size of this message box, you can just go here. Here you will find this message. Here you can just increase the row to 5. Yes, in this way. Now we can just let's style this button. We can just go to the button. Here we have the text color. We can make this to black like this. Done. You can also make this smaller, so we can just place this okay like this, and here we can just go to the button. Here we can make this to 30%, like this 30%. Okay, and we can just go here, fields, buttons, and make this in the center like this. Okay, so this is done, and we can just add this form box here, and here we can put this to 20. Let's publish. Now let's try to refresh this here, and after refreshing, let me check if the form is loaded or not. So if I go below, you can see, if I go below, you can see our form is loaded here. So as you can see, this is done. Now we can add this thing. So you can see we have this design. So how are we gonna make this now? So for making this, we can use we have to use the grid here. Okay, so let me go here, and we're gonna search for the grid again, drag and drop this. Also let's put some gap here like this, and we can put this gap of 60 pixel. Okay, now you can see we have this grid. Here we can make this grid to, here we can make this to 1, and the rows are 3. Okay, and we can just go here and remove all of these paddings. Okay, and here we can just okay, let's make this 0. Here let's add this. Here let's remove the padding first. Now we have this container, and here we have to add the 2 containers. Okay, so this is a parent container, so we can name this main box. Okay, remove all of this padding. Now we can add the 2 containers inside this. So we can name this 1, and we can duplicate this, and this is the 2, and now we can go to the main layout, and here we can make everything in the center. Now you can see the first one is for the icon, so let's name this icon, and this is for the text. Okay, now you can see we have this main, and this is the icon. So for the icon I'm gonna give only 10% width. Okay, let's give this 20%, and for the rest I'm gonna give the 80% width. Okay. Now let me go here, and here we can just go to this. Okay, and here we can increase this to 30, and here we can just make this to 28. Here you can see we have this phone, mail, and this, so we can just for the first one we can have this phone number, so we can just choose this phone here. Here I have used the wrong icon, but you can use the right icon like this. Here you can see we have the phone. So what we can do, we can just copy this, and we can paste this. Also we can copy this here, we can paste it here like this. So what we can do, we can just delete this, and we can duplicate this only. So here we can write a phone, and for the below one we can write the numbers. Let's copy this number also. Okay, and here we can just make this to 500. Okay, and here we can also make this to 24. Okay, and here also we can make this to 10. So now you can see we have this, and you can see for the main, if I give this to icon, if I give this to 10%, and for the text we can give this to 90%. Okay, this will look good. Now you can see we have this line below, so the line is for this text one. Okay, so we can go to this border. Here we can put solid, here we can put 2, and here we can put the black. Okay, and here we can put the 20. Now we can just go to the main and we can just duplicate this. Okay, you can just duplicate this like this. Okay, so now you have to just put this content here, like for the email. If you want the email, you can just go here and you can just choose any icon like envelope, so you can see we have this. And here also you can just replace this, and here you can say mail us, and you can just go here and you can just add some random contact at frameme.com. okay, like this. Okay, so you can just put all of this. Now you can see, let's publish this. Now we have to put this image. So for putting that image, we can just go here and we can just add this image. So for the image to be added, what we can do, we can just put the image here. Okay, let's put this image here and we can just place the image to this container below like this by using this structure. So this is the power of the structure, so that's why the structure is very helpful. Now you can see we have placed this below this. So if we don't have the structure, we are not able to place that below like easily. So now we have to choose this image. So let's find this image like this. Okay, and we can also put some gap between this. Let's put the 30. Here we have this contact, and here we can also we have this. Now let's publish. So our contact section is also ready. Now let's me publish, refresh this here. And after refreshing, let me show you. If I go below, you can see our contact section is also ready. Now